Hey everyone, how's each and every one of you are doing on this Tuesday evening? I hope that each of you are having a good week, and let's hope the week will end on a good note. Anyway, this problem I'm going to focus here in this video clip. It's from tonight's Zoom math tutoring session, and one of the problems that the student and I encounter with tonight, it's a adding mixed numbers. It's like it's an equation, but I will further explain what I'm going to talk about. So this is a problem: 2 2/3 plus the variable a equals 7/1/8. So when you see this problem, you're looking for the letter A. That's one. Second is converting these two mixed numbers into improper fractions. If most people don't know, an improper fraction is just a regular, it's just a fraction like this, but without the whole number. So let's convert these two mixed numbers. So in order to get the improper fraction, we'll leave the denominators alone. In this case, the first one, we'll leave this as a 3. So far, you're following, okay? Then you go ahead and multiply the whole number times the denominator, which is 2 times 3, which gives us 6. And you add what's on the numerator, which is 6 plus 2, that gives us 8. That is our improper fraction. All right, so far so good. Then you do the same thing in the bottom, the equal sign. 7 times 8, which gives us 56. Add one more, is 57. Oh, let me do this. Give me a second, okay? Now it looks better. Now we have to clean this up a bit. Now we have to do is find the common denominator out of 3 times 8. What number do we get to get the common denominator? Let's try 3 times 8, which is 3 times 8 equals 24. That's our denominator. Okay, now we almost clean it up just a bit. All right, let's do the top area. What number that divides or equal or close to it or equal to 24 divided by 3? Let's try 8. Multiply by 8. Same thing. What number that is equal to or close to 24 divided by 8? 3. This is what's going to be a little bit higher, but I'm going to do this, okay? All right, let's do this. Let's do the numerators. What's 8 times 8? 64. 57 times 3. Let's do this on the side. 7 times 3 is 21. 5 times 3, well, I'll give you the number. The answer is 15. Add 2 more, 171. That goes right here. Now, we have the same numerator, but different same denominator actually, and it's different numerators. In order to do this, we have to move this over. So we can turn this into subtracting, because in order to do that, you remember the typical equation. You let's say x plus 3 equals 6. Whatever is the sign is after the variable, you use the opposite of that. So it's the same thing in this problem. Okay. Now We have almost cleaned it up just a bit. So we're going to leave the denominator alone. What's 171 minus 64? Let's see. So we got 11. We got 10. Okay, we got 11. Borrow, we got 16. 11 minus 4 is 7. And then 16 minus 6 is 10. That is our numerator. All right, so far so good. Now, we need to turn this improper fraction into a mixed number. What goes inside the box? The 107 or the 24? Care to take a guess? The numerator goes inside the box. And the outside the box is 24. Alright. So far, we almost cleaned it up completely almost finished. Now, let's do this. What number that is equal to or close to 107 divided by 24? We know it's bigger than 2. Possibly it's bigger than 3. Let's do 4. 4 times 4, that gives us 16. We carry the 1. 2 times 8, that gives 2 times 4, that gives us 8. Add 1 more is 96. My mistake. So it's 2 times 4 equals 8. Add 1 more is 9. That's close. And don't forget to put the 4 as the whole number. Now, what is 107 minus 96? 11, right? Any more? No. So which is the whole number? The 4, right? Which is our numerator? This one or this one? Is this one. And our denominator is 24. That is our final answer. There we have it. So we turn these problems, first thing first, we turn these mixed numbers into improper fractions like I did before. Then the second step is finding the common denominator, which is 24. And then whatever numbers that is divide evenly and multiply to get what is right in front of us. And then I'll move the first improper fractions, move down to the bottom, which we will subtract. And we left the common denominator alone and subtract the numerators. 171 minus 64, which is 107, right? Which is the scratch work around the side. And then we find the mixed number. The 107 goes out inside the box. The 24 that goes outside the box. And then whatever is number that's equal to or close to 107 divided by 24, which is 4. 24 times 4 is 96. And we subtract 107 minus 96 equals 11. The whole number is 4. The numerator is 11. And the denominator is 24. And that's our final answer. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Any problems that you may have. Until then, you have a wonderful rest of your evening. Thank you, everyone.